When you secure your environment by using the security features of RES Workspace Manager, access to unauthorized files and folders will be blocked in the user's workspace. In certain situations, however, it can be necessary to make exceptions for specific files and folders by authorizing access to these files and folders. Many applications need to start up other legitimate executables or to access specific files in order to function properly. For example, some applications may have help features which call an executable. If that executable is blocked, the user cannot access the help. By authorizing access to that specific executable, users will still be able to use the help functionality. Many of these files or folders can be authorized directly from the Log tab of a security feature. For example, if you've enabled read-only blanketing and a user or application tries to modify a certain file on a local drive, a security event of this will be logged in the read-only blanketing log. If necessary, you can then authorize this blocked file by selecting it and clicking Authorize Selected File. The authorized file will then automatically be added to the Global Authorized Files node, and access to it will no longer be prevented. Although read-only blanketing will still render all local drives read-only, an exception to the feature has been created for the authorized files. Files and folders that are authorized on a global level can be accessed by all users, but you can still maintain a high level of security in the user's workspace by applying access control and workspace control criteria to each global authorized file or folder. The Global Authorized Files node in the console gives an overview of all exceptions to the security features that have been made in this way. To authorize additional files on a global level, do the following. Under Security, go to Global Authorized Files. Click Add to open the Authorized File window. Type the name or browse to the authorized file path. Add an optional administrative note. Select a specific process or choose any process. And check the authorized operation, execute and modify. Under Access Control, we can browse to our users or groups that we want to make the exception for. And with the Resolve Users button, we can view who this is applied to. Under Locations and Devices, we can select one or many zones. And finally, under Workspace Control, we can define the workspace containers that this applies to. Click OK to confirm the settings. Once a global authorized file has been defined, optionally, it can be moved to an application. Right-click the global authorized file and select Move. Choose the managed application you'd like to move the setting to and click OK. You'll notice that the setting has now disappeared from the Global Authorized Files list. Let's now browse to the application. And under the Security tab, we can confirm that our rule has now appeared against the application itself.